Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do a gel fill. You happen to be looking at a cuticle bit. This is one of my favorite bits. It is a diamond cuticle bit and I just love how this works. I will leave a link to it in the description box below if you are interested in getting yourself one. This drill bit is really used for filing on the natural nail, not really for filing on product like acrylic or gel. You can see me filing just a tiny little bit of lifting that was left on there, but really I don't use this bit for product, only on the natural nail back by the cuticle area. Cuticle is a waxy substance that's on the nail and it grows out with the nail on the nail plate. But my nails are pretty clean looking, surprisingly, less cuticle. I expected more, but yeah. And I did do some hand filing on the gel before I filmed. So I just brushed them off and got rid of the dust. Now I'm going to take a wipe and some isopropyl alcohol and clean off the nail plate really well. And there's what they look like. It's ready for some dehydrator, and I use Bond-Aid by OPI. I've been using that for years and I think it's a great product. You can buy it on eBay. It is a professional product, but it's still available on eBay for purchase by anyone. And then I use the primer Bond X by OPI. This is really a acrylic primer, but it works for gel, and I've been using it for gel for years and it does great for me. Again, it's a professional product, but you can find it on eBay. And I apply 2 coats of the primer here. I only show you 1 coat though. And here is the Madam Glam's Builder in a Bottle Soak Off Gel, which I love this product. And isn't that such a beautiful color? Be sure to take advantage of that coupon code you see on your screen, Denise30, for 30% off your order at Madam Glam. There is a link in the description box, so follow that link and place your order and use my code. Now you see there's this little dappen dish here, and I am going to use this to hold just a small amount of the builder gel. And I will be using that later on in the video, and I'll show you that when we get to that part. This is my favorite brush. It's a double-ended brush. I believe that's a size 6 there. And then on the end is a very nice liner, and I will be using the liner in this video. And now I'm applying the first layer of gel. And as you can see, I'm kind of pillowing it back towards the cuticle and then just brushing it forward. The first layer is just basically brushed forward, just like you were applying gel polish. And I want to make sure that I get it really well, especially down here on the side. You can see some of my natural nail showing through, so that is very thin, so I will need to build that up. A lot of times though, the brushes in the builders that are in a bottle, the brushes are not the greatest, so you do want to have your gel brush on hand. Here is that little bit of gel that I decanted, and I like to decant small amounts of gel and put them on a little palette or something. It helps me to be able to pick up the right amount of gel that I need, because sometimes the brushes in the bottle are really big and bulky. So this makes it a little bit easier for me. I am using my non-dominant hand to do these nails, so if you notice me going a little bit slower or maybe being a little bit jittery, that's why. I had one person leave me a comment and said, why do you have to say that you are using your non-dominant hand? Well, that's why. And always keep your rubber cuticle cleaner beside you just in case you need it. So I think this is looking pretty good. I will go ahead and give this a cure of 1 minute. Now it is time for the second layer, and I take the gel and I string it along back by the cuticle area, again using my liner brush to move the gel very close to the cuticle area but not flooding it, just like I did the first layer. Here's that thin area on the sidewall, and I am still adding a little bit more gel to that because it looks thin still. And now I'm just going to add another layer over the top of the nail. And that looks good. I will cure that, and then I will clean it and do some filing. Here they are, all finished and ready to be filed. I will just do a little bit of shaping and some filing on camera. I don't like to do a lot of filing on camera. Number one, it's boring, and number two, but most importantly, I don't want to get dust inside the lens of my camera. If you do, that's a big problem. So that's one of the main reasons that I don't file a lot on camera. Here are the finished nails, all filed, buffed, and topped with cuticle oil. And now they're ready for me to do a nail design on them. To me, wearing a nail bed like this saves time when you're going to create a French look nail. And I already have the nail beds done, so I just add my form and create my nail design. At the bottom of the screen, you will see my new nail design that will be coming out next. That is a French. That's what I'm talking about right there. And the nail beds that I have on right now are the same ones that are in that clip at the bottom of the screen. So be on the lookout for that. Take advantage of that coupon code that is on the screen. The link to Madam Glam is in the description box, so you can go there and use that code. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.